was regarded as the chief architect of the Indian Constitution? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. B. R. Ambedkar. D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Answer: C. B. R. Ambedkar. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee and played a significant role in framing the Constitution of India. When did the Constitution of India come into effect? A. The 15th of August 1947. B. The 26th of January 1950. C. The 26th of November 1949. D. The 2nd of October 1949. Answer: B. The 26th of January 1950. The Constitution of India was adopted on the 26th of November 1949 but came into force on the 26th of January 1950. How many articles are there in the Indian Constitution originally? A. 448. B. 395. C. 368. D. 450. Answer: B. 395. The original Constitution of India consisted of 395 articles, divided into 22 parts and 8 schedules. The preamble of the Indian Constitution was inspired by the preamble of which country? A. United States. B. United Kingdom. C. Canada. D. Australia. Answer: A. United States. The preamble to the Indian Constitution was inspired by the preamble of the US Constitution, emphasizing concepts like justice, liberty, and equality. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with fundamental rights? A. Part 1. B. Part 2. C. Part 3. D. Part 4. Answer: C. Part 3. Part 3 of the Indian Constitution contains the fundamental rights, Articles 12 to 35. The concept of directive principles of state policy was borrowed from which country's constitution? A. USA. B. Ireland. C. France. D. Japan. Answer: B. Ireland. The directive principles of state policy in the Indian Constitution are borrowed from the Irish Constitution. Which article of the Indian Constitution abolishes untouchability? A. Article 14. B. Article 15. C. Article 16. D. Article 17. Answer: D. Article 17. Article 17 of the Indian Constitution abolishes untouchability and forbids its practice in any form. How many members were initially in the Constituent Assembly? A. 299. B. 250. C. 230. D. 280. Answer: A. 299. The Constituent Assembly initially had 299 members who were responsible for drafting the Constitution of India. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the Union and its territory? A. Part 1. B. Part 2. C. Part 3. D. Part 4. Answer: A. Part 1. Part 1 of the Constitution deals with the Union and its territory, covering Articles 1 to 4. Who has the power to amend the Constitution? A. President of India. B. Supreme Court. C. Parliament. D. Prime Minister. Answer: C. Parliament. The Parliament of India has the power to amend the Constitution under Article 368. The Indian Constitution provides how many types of emergencies? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. Answer: C. 3. The Indian Constitution provides for 3 types of emergencies: national emergency, state emergency, and financial emergency. Who was the first president of independent India? A. Rajendra Prasad. B. S. Radhakrishnan. C. B. R. Ambedkar. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer: A. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of independent India, serving from 1950 to 1962. Which schedule of the Constitution deals with the allocation of seats in the Rajya Sabha? A. 4th Schedule. B. 5th Schedule. C. 6th Schedule. D. 7th Schedule. Answer: A. 4th Schedule. The 4th Schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with the allocation of seats in the Rajya Sabha, Council of States. The Indian Constitution is considered to be federal in form but unitary in spirit. Who said this? A. K.C. Ware. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. K. M. Munshi. D. Drive. Rajendra Prasad. Answer. A. K.C. Ware. K.C. Ware described the Indian Constitution as federal in form but unitary in spirit due to the strong central authority it establishes. Under which article of the Constitution can the President of India proclaim a national emergency? A. Article 356. B. Article 352. C. Article 360. D. Article 368. Answer. B. Article 352. Under Article 352, the President of India can proclaim a national emergency in case of war, external aggression, or armed rebellion. What is the minimum age for becoming a member of the Lok Sabha? A. 18 years. B. 25 years. C. 30 years. D. 35 years. Answer. B. 25 years. According to Article 84 of the Indian Constitution, the minimum age required to be a member of the Lok Sabha is 25 years. Which amendment is known as the Mini Constitution? A. 42nd Amendment. B. 44th Amendment. C. 52nd Amendment. D. 86th Amendment. Answer. A. 42nd Amendment. The 42nd Amendment, 1976, is known as the Mini Constitution because it brought about widespread changes in various parts of the Constitution. Which article of the Constitution provides for the appointment of the governor of a state? A. Article 153. B. Article 154. C. Article 155. D. Article 156. Answer. C. Article 155. Article 155 states that the governor of a state shall be appointed by the President of India. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with Panchayati Raj institutions? A. Part 7. B. Part 9. C. Part 11. D. Part 12. Answer. B. Part 9. Part 9 of the Indian Constitution deals with Panchayati Raj institutions, inserted by the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1992. Which fundamental right was removed by the 44th Amendment of the Indian Constitution? A. Right to property. B. Right to equality. C. Right to freedom. D. Right to education. Answer. A. Right to property. The 44th Amendment Act, 1978, removed the right to property from the list of fundamental rights, making it a legal right under Article 300A.